In this video, we will show you how to create a course in Kartra. If you guys want to get started with Kartra, you can use the links down in the description. First, define specific goals for your course, both for yourself and your students. Understand what value your course will provide and how it aligns with your brand or business. Now, outline your entire curriculum, including modules and lesson plans. This roadmap will keep you on track and ensure your course meets its objectives. Then organize your content logically. Break it down into modules, lessons, and learning outcomes. Be clear about what students will learn and achieve. You have to use a mix of content types such as videos, texts, quizzes, and assignments. After that, engage your learners with varied resources. Kartra is a great choice for hosting your course. It allows you to create and manage memberships, deliver content, and handle payments. So that's how to create a course in Kartra. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with Kartra. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.